What is up, everybody? My name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro. I just want to say thank you guys for joining me for another video. If you're new here, it's awesome to see you here. I hope you're staying safe. If you've been here before, I just want to say thank you for joining us for another video. But let's get right to it. So today on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to bring you something that you never thought you needed before, but after having it, you're going to realize why you actually needed it. So whether you have that basic setup or you're going with that really luxurious setup, for your PC or for your gaming console or gaming area, whatever it may be. There's something that I never thought I actually needed it until Tilted Gaming came our way and showed it to us, and man, I've got to say, I'm really loving this product that they have. So what is this product that we're talking about? Well, just stick around. We're going to go really in depth with it. We're going to talk about the Tilted Gaming 3-in-1 gaming headset holder slash bungee cord slash 3.0 extra USB ports and slash RGB, just amazing, all I'm going to say. So we'll look at this in depth in just a second, so stay tuned. Alright, so if you guys have not seen the video yet where we actually unbox this guy, I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can check that out. We will be reviewing a bunch of the Tilted Gaming products, whether they're hit or miss, so definitely stay tuned to the channel if you want to be updated on those. Check out the older videos that we've done on their mouse pads as well, because let me just say, the presentation on their products and the actual quality of their products is actually really good, and we'll go over certain things, what to expect, what to go over on each one. So for today, we're going to be talking about the TNshadow. Now, what's great about this TNshadow is the fact that this design right here, it's going to be gloss black inside of here, and it's going to be a nice satin black outside, so you don't have to worry about fingerprints or anything like that when you're looking at it. You've got a nice little bungee for your mouse right here, which we'll see close up in just a second. But the great quality about it is that people like me, I have a lot of USBs with RGBs and all that, so I need extra ports. So they've got you handled with 2 extra 3.0 ports on this bad boy. It's going to definitely come with a bunch of different RGB modes. So as right now, it's my favorite. It's the color cycle mode that they have. And then of course you've got just the plain red. You've got green, blue, purple, yellow, cyan, white, and of course you've got the color cycle mode. Now this thing is awesome. It looks great no matter if what you're upgrading. This thing will basically do it all. Now before, I never thought I needed a gaming headset holder because with my setup I never really wanted it, never really used it, but after having this and having my Astros just sit on top of this out of the way, I love it. I've seen some kind of designs that the Tilted Gaming people have been posting in the last couple weeks. Definitely go check them out on Instagram and Twitter to keep up with all the stuff that they're doing. But they've posted up some of your guys' setups, gaming setups. So basically they took the pictures that you sent in and posted them on their website. Now they've also even posted some of the cool designs that other people have done that they found on the internet, which include a gaming headset like kind of hook on the bottom of your desk. That's great and all. I really do appreciate the aesthetics of it. It makes your desktop really clean. But at the same time, if you have dogs, if you have kids, they're going to yank and pull on it. They're going to slobber. They're going to rip it up. So be mindful of that. If you have a smaller type desk like I do, you're going to kind of push your way into the desk and you're going to like knee it all the time. You're going to end up breaking it. So I don't like that location of it, but it's a really cool idea. So the guy that thought of that, it's a really good idea. But it's just something for my kind of setup. It's not something I want. I've also seen people put hooks on magnets and put it on the side of their PC cases as well, which that's good and all, and it's a little, I mean, it is out of the way and everything, but it just doesn't have that aesthetic appeal that I'm looking for. I'm a guy that loves RGBs, as you can tell behind me. This is my stream setup for Twitch. We stream over there all the time, and the LEDs actually add ambiance. Now, they won't be able to see everything that's in front of me, like my keyboard that lights up or the mouse pad that lights up, but for me it's an aesthetic thing, it's organization. It helps me de-stress mentally. I don't know what it is about it, it just does. I'm just being real with you. Let's get looking at it close up. I'll give you some video footage of it real close up so you can see everything about it, everything that you're going to get. It's just basically one cable with a USB slot. You plug it onto your PC, plug the other end into one of the 3 ports on the device, and then it lights up, it's ready to go. That's all that's needed for setup. I mean, nothing really as far as power is concerned is needed to set up. You just plug in whatever you need into the extra 2 ports, and then you run your mouse over the bungee part of it. The bungee part is actually going to keep your mouse wire from getting in the way, so you don't have to worry about that when you're gaming and like Warzone or Valorant or whatever you want to, or Fortnite, whatever it is, it will keep the mouse cord out of the way and you don't have to worry about it. So if you do not like the look of the bungee cord part of it, if you do not enjoy that aspect of it, I have seen people actually remove the rubber part out of the middle, which that's perfectly fine for you to do. That's up to you if you buy it. I mean, you do what you want. It's a 3-in-1 with RGB. It's definitely something I'd like to have in mind, so I've been using it ever since. This isn't something that I'm told to tell you. This is something that I actually use myself. So I enjoy it, I like it, I want to pass my information on to you guys. Along with that, I also have a promo code for their website, so if there's anything that you see on our channel from Tilted Nation Gaming, if it's the Shadow that we're talking about today, their mouse pads, whether it be the basic, the RGB, or any of the other products that we're going to talk about in the future, use my code. It'll be linked in the description and in the top of the comments. Make sure to use that and to save yourself money just from watching this video. They have some really cool products and some more coming that I've kind of been hinted at, so make sure to look out for that. Alright, so while we look at what it looks like on our setup, let me give you a little rundown about this product and about what it can do. So this is the only 3-in-1 headset throne that you basically can get at this point. It has a built-in mouse bungee, which we talked about before. You have 2 extra USB 3.0 hubs, and then you have the RGB headset stand with the RGB and color cycling modes on there, which we saw before. It's a functional and all-in-one design. The RGB gaming headset stand features a built-in mouse bungee. This design will not fall over. It's got a durable base with added weight and non-slip grips at the bottom of the gaming headset stand to provide optimum stability even during intense gaming. This allows it to keep your headphones safe at all times, no matter if you're wearing them or if you just are having the RGB sitting on your desk. It should not fall over with those non-slip grips on the bottom, and that's why this design is so awesome. It's got a flexible mouse cord holder on the gaming headphone stand to fit any type of mouse cable and provide superior cable management, making your wired mouse feel like a wireless mouse, which it in fact does. I've used it in Warzone and it's true. It has an ultra-fast 3.0 data hub with the extra 2 3.0 ports on the gaming headset holder. You can connect devices up to 5 gigabytes of data transfer speeds, which is perfect for gaming peripherals, keyboards, headsets, mice, external hard drives, and flash drives, and the list just goes on and on. This right here is true for me, and it's going to be true for you as well, but this is going to be the final piece to your gaming setup. You can enjoy an unexpected solution to a problem that you never knew you had, while giving you the gaming station an edgy touch with dynamic or static RGB lighting or color cycling. So everything about it, all in one. It's a great product. Just trust me on it. Just use it, have it. Even if it's just for the RGB part of it, when you put your headset on it, it just gives that nice aesthetic appeal for your gaming setup. I mean, there's nothing out there really like it right now. So go ahead, get your hands on it. It's definitely something that I'm going to continue to use on my gaming setup as well. So I hope you guys enjoy as well. So don't forget, comments and description are going to be a code that will save you money on it, so you can get even cheaper. It's not going to break the bank. It's something that I believe a lot of the setups out there really need, but they don't believe that they really need until they have it. Does that make sense? I really hope it does. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's going to be kind of short, but I just want to get that out there, guys. I mean, this is a really cool setup. We'll be talking about a couple more products of theirs in later videos. If you did like this, please leave a like. It does help our videos out a lot. We spend a lot of time on these videos for you guys, and we'd love to see you guys around more often and make these videos for you. If you really want to stick around, if you want to see more videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Get your voice heard. Let us know the things you like and the things you don't like. Give us constructive criticisms to work on. Don't just tell us that these videos are terrible or I'm a horrible reviewer. Give me constructive criticism so I can use to make these videos better for you guys. The lighting, everything in here has gotten changed because of the feedback that we've gotten so far. So thank you guys so much for the love and support, for all the help that you've given us. Definitely check out our friends at Tilted Nation Gaming whenever you get a chance. And if you got any questions or anything, let us know and we'll try to answer as best we can. So thank you guys. Stay safe out there. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Perfect.